everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got one of Lookfantastic's brand new festive beauty edits, and I've got the gorgeous festive pamper bag. This is so pretty. There's a few of these bags available on the Lookfantastic website, and this one's in collaboration with Elizabeth Scarlett. Green velvet, gorgeous bag. This retails for £45, but it has a value of £145. It contains 7 beauty products, 4 of which are full size. I'm going to be opening this and showing you what's inside, but I'll just tell you a little bit about the others as well. You've got the Merry Masking Edit, which is a box full of masks. That retails for £35 and it has a value of £140. Then you've got the Christmas Cracker that retails for £40 and has a value of £130. Then you've got the Christmas Beauty Present, which retails for £50 and has a value of £166. Plus they've just released 2 fragrance discovery sets, one for her and one for him. They both retail for £55. Inside you get a selection of little mini perfumes, and you have a £55 voucher which can be redeemed against a full-size version of one of those perfumes. You'll find a link to this edit and all the others I've just mentioned down below in my description, and you'll also find links to the Black Friday edit or any other offers they've got on their website. Plus I've got a discount code of beauty products as well off the website, so you'll find that down there. Unfortunately my code doesn't work against these festive edits yet. They might do in the future, I don't know. I suppose it depends on how well they sell, doesn't it? So let's get on to showing you then what's inside the festive edit. Starting off, we've got the Inky List, and this is the Oat Cleansing Balm, formulated for all, best for normal sensitive skin. It helps to remove makeup and cleanse sensitive skins. There's 150 mils there. My daughter loves this. It's the only cleanser she continues to purchase over and over and over again. And in all honesty, I use it as well. I love loads of different cleansers, but yeah, I do opt for this one as well. It removes all your makeup and impurities and leaves your skin feeling nice and fresh and clean, which is really lovely. It's a cleansing balm using oat kernel oil, a rich natural oat oil which hydrates and moisturizes the skin, also formulated with colloidal oatmeal, which contains high levels of skin beneficial natural actives. So we got a cleanser, then we got a shampoo and conditioner duo from Olaplex. We got Olaplex number 5 and number 4. They're bond maintenance products, and they repair, strengthen and nourish all hair types, and there's 100 mils there. And at this size I think they retail for about £22 or £25. So yes, we've got a shampoo and conditioner duo there. We've got Coats. This is a gentle hydrating toning milk. It contains mandelic acid, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, vitamin C and niacinamide, combination to dry skin, and there's 125 mils there. Now I've just received this in another box. I've yet to use it yet, but it was the very first time I'd heard of this brand or seen this brand. I'm going to have to look on the website to see what other products they do. The Milky Toner gently exfoliates to boost skin's radiance and help prevent future breakouts, whilst protecting skin from external aggressors and hydrating to protect skin's moisture without stripping. Smoothed, plump up skin that never feels thirsty. We got Sarah Chapman, and this is an R&R Glow. EGF and Diosmin and ceramide complex and acetoicide and madagascar acid. It's to relieve and restore. It's a recovery cream, and there is 5 mils there. I have tried this before. It's a Restore Recovery Hydro Balm. Apply up to 4 pumps throughout the day as required. Yeah, it just feels like a moisturiser. Yeah, it feels really nice. It says that it's a deluxe size. This 5 mil is worth £32, but I can't see any extra information about it. It's an R&R Glow Recovery Cream that you can apply to the skin a couple of times a day, as and when needed anyway. So there's that. Then we've got This Works. This is a Sleep Plus pillow spray, fast acting natural vegan sleep aid to help maintain normal sleep patterns, and there's 10 mils there. A potent blend of lavender and chamomile, naturally encapsulated to gradually create a soothing and calming atmosphere while you sleep. This is worth £12. I love sleep sprays, but I've got to be honest, this isn't one of my favourite ones. It's not horrible at all. There's something in it that just gets me at the back of my throat. And my husband doesn't like it, but I'll see if my daughter wants it. She uses them as well, so yeah, just not for me, that one. And then lastly, we've got a hand cream. This is by L'Occitane, and this is dry skin hand cream, and there's 30 mils there. This is a gorgeous hand cream. We see it a lot in different beauty boxes and advent calendars this time of year. It's really nice and rich, contains shea butter, a nice smell. Actually does this one have a smell? Let's put it on my other hand. Put it on my hand here. I've tried a few different hand creams from L'Occitane, but look how thick that is. Look, can you see? Oh, that is just so satisfying. It's just really, really thick. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous thick hand balm. No, it just smells like babies. Like baby products, like talc or body wash or whatever. Although you're not supposed to use talc, are you? But that sort of baby smell is nice. It is really nice. But it leaves my hands feeling really nice and soft as well. So this shea butter hand cream is worth £9.50. I forgot to say as well, the Hydrating Toning Milk by Coats is full size and it retails for £20. And the cleanser is £11.99. And this bag retails for £32. So there you go, there's all the products inside the new festive beauty edit. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Did you get this one for yourself? Did you get one of the others? Or are you wondering which one to go for? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.